querer. Dejamos hace un día, pero me llegó el momento de perder. Tú tenías mucha razón por no abrir al corazón y me muero por volver.
Look at this! Who's this? Oh my goodness! No, just give me a
So once again at a garage with Beast and with Michelle, right over there, in Querétaro. Looks like the bike's leaking a little bit and needs some balancing done. So that's what's gonna happen in this shop, where they have mostly cruisers, but at least they're big bikes. So we'll see what happens, and hopefully they'll be able to give it a nice clean as well on the bike, because the bike is pretty damn filthy. All right, Martin. Okay, gracias.
Thank you, Martin.
Okay, thank you, Niman.
Yay!
Opa. Perfecto, gracias. So we just got to another garage because the first guys can't do any balancing. Where are we now?
In another shop?
Why are we in a different shop?
Because the first one could not fix your bike. So now,
So
we
now
need to
we're
go through next level.
next level, and we're surrounded by GS's. So that's a good sign. We found another amazing place. Just nothing but GS's. Pretty sure things are gonna get fixed over here.
Hola, bien, gracias.
Hola, señores.
Si tiene alguna variación o algún...
So right now we're trying to balance the front wheel because the handlebars, they start shaking a little bit at a certain speed. So hopefully this will do the trick again.
Muy leve. Mira, cómo tiene una variación, es cuando
Sí.
Bike's coming back out of the garage. Watch out.
Okay, Martin, here you go.
These are the gentlemen that very quickly had a look at my oil. It was leaking a little bit. They fixed the seal, had a look at the tire balancing, and it's all fine, all good to go.
There you
Muchas
go.
gracias,
They
señores.
won't charge a thing.
Suerte.
Yay!
Yeah, smile. You're on candid camera.
Oh my goodness, I feel special. I feel
So-
super special.
Yes, you are special.
It's recording now.
Yes. So I'm in Querétaro with Michelle and Javier.
Yes.
Here's
Hello.
Michelle.
Hello, everybody.
Michelle, how do we know each other?
Oh my goodness, Martin. Here we go. Let's talk about it. From 2007, we used to work together, and I think we connected through bikes. As a matter of fact, that's when we connected quite deeply.
Exactly. And then, you know, just a few months ago, because Michelle lived in Vancouver, actually, where we met, and where I just lived until a month ago. And a few months ago, all of a sudden, she
Yeah.
packed up and left
That's
back
right.
to Querétaro. Why?
I learned from the best. I learned from the best. Well, Canada is a home to me. I was there for almost 20 years and I loved it with all my heart, but I wanted a family. I missed home. I missed the culture, music, you know, all the beautiful stuff, the weather, clearly. It's winter already over there. And all of a sudden I wanted to come home, and quite unexpectedly, a really wonderful man showed up, and you know, so here I am.
Michelle, I hear that you guys met in a pretty interesting way. Can you tell me a little bit more?
Yeah, it's super special. I met him when I was 15. He was 18. He used to have a band. There was 3 of them, and I was a huge fan of his.
Yes.
Of him, yeah. And then that's it. One day I went to see a concert and he sang for me the entire night, but
Yes.
we never met. I left early like Cinderella, and then 20 something years later he contacted me through Facebook, and
Yes.
we started chatting, and here we are. Yeah.
So is that a fairy tale story or not? So Michelle moved back from Canada to her hometown of Querétaro,
That's right.
and here these 2 lovebirds are happily in love back in Querétaro.
Yes.
So awesome.
I know.
And thanks for the hospitality, guys.
I left everything back home. I left my dog. I left many wonderful friends, and I just packed 4 bags and came home. So here I am.
And you even left all your motorbike stuff behind.
Oh,
because
I know.
weren't you supposed to be riding at least a little bit with me in
That's
Mexico?
right. That's right.
She
but
has her motorbike
love-
license, but no motorbike, no gear.
My gear is back home. My gear is back home, and that trip shall happen.
Back
but
home. I thought home
I
was
mean,
here.
back home in Canada, back home here, it's kind of weird, right? Mexican Canadian by heart. So yeah, I had to sell my bike, unfortunately, but you know, there's a new adventure coming for me, and I sure hope we'll ride together one day, my friend.
We shall one day. Thank you so much for the hospitality and so awesome
And
to
I
catch
love
up
you with all my
in
heart.
Mexico.
Yes.
Sí.
Safe travels, and
Gracias.
yeah, keep following him.
Yes. Excellent advice, guys.
Ah,
¿Qué es la historia de esta
No, todo era
ventana,
inventado.
señor?
Es la casa de Cala, una de las ventanas más bonitas de Latinoamérica. Y toda esta herrería la trajeron de Francia y está construida con cantera de Querétaro.
Muy bien, muy bien. Gracias, Javier.
De nada.
Welcome to Querétaro, where the nightlife is on the squares. It's very pretty.
Yeah.
So what are we eating, guys? What are we eating?
This is
Esquites.
¿Qué es esquites?
delicatessen. Ah, es una
Sublimes.
Exquisitez.
Exquisites. Es,
Te describo.
sí,
Exquisite.
es maíz
Maíz.
de elote desgranado. Son
Look at that
granitos
happy
de maíz.
face.
¿Está bien?
Salud, salud.
Salud.
Cheers.
Salud, mon amigos.
Salud.
Enjoy.
some running once again in the Querétaro soccer stadium this time. Just here, running around the track, which I normally don't really do. I like going trail running and stuff like that, but there's no trails in the middle of the city, so we're just gonna try this out and enjoy this kind of cool art every lap I make. Just went for a nice run with Carlos.
Carlos from Mexico.
From Mexico.
Here in Querétaro.
That's right. Where did we go? Where did we run?
Fine.
We're now in the northern part of Querétaro, right?
Yes, in the northern part of Querétaro city.
So look at the background behind us here. Yeah, it's quite pretty. Sun's coming up, and now it's time for breakfast somewhere. Where are we going?
I don't know.
Okay, well, let's go find a place.
Next, Michelle and Javier took me to explore the pyramid of El Pueblito at El Cerrito, which is a pyramid in the middle of Querétaro.
Señor Javier,
Hola otra vez.
¿qué es esta atrás?
Es una pirámide en Querétaro, un asentamiento religioso. Después los españoles llegaron y cubrieron la pirámide y quedó como un cerro. Construyeron una casa arriba y hace poco empezaron a descubrirla y a quitarle la tierra para que quedara la pirámide nuevamente.
Es muy bonita, muy bonita. Muchas gracias, señor.
Mérida, ¿qué es en Mérida?
Mérida es la capital de Yucatán.
Ah, sí.
Es muy bonito. Mérida.
No.
Bueno, no. Primero Campeche, luego Mérida. Entre Mérida y Cancún aquí está lo más bonito, de las 10 maravillas del mundo, Chichén Itzá.
This one.
Such a cool map.
This one.
Here we
This
go.
one. Where are we going?
Where are we going?
Where are we? We are here, Querétaro. We are going next to Puebla. After that,
Oaxaca.
Oaxaca, that's what I said. Down, east, somewhere around here, and then into Belize, Guatemala.
So cool.
Say nice things about me because you're actually being recorded.
writer friend ever. And I'm gonna meet you.
Straight from the heart. Thank you.